Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Wednesday morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com. In the pre-market this morning, things are fairly quiet out there. Stock index futures are slightly above fair value. So far, it looks like the market wants to do a little buying on Wednesday morning. Now, we don't have any major economic numbers coming out this morning, of course, with the government shutdown. We do have oil or energy inventories coming out at 10:30 this morning, and they could certainly help change the direction of the commodity sector. Now, looking at Bitcoin's having trouble staying above 125. We traded above it yesterday, but we pulled back. And so it looks like we're stalling up here. That doesn't guarantee a meltdown for Bitcoin. Last time we had trouble at 118,750. We traded up there for a few days, then pulled back, and then took another run at it. So it doesn't mean the end of this move for Bitcoin, but we are stalled up here at this time. Looking at the price of gold, not stalled at the moment. It's trading higher in the pre-market this morning, so not expecting a change in trend for the price of gold on Wednesday. Now, Tuesday turned out to be a bearish reversal day. One example of that was IBM, which thrusted higher yesterday, traded above the $300 level for a little bit, then pulled back. So if you had an order in up there at our next price target, congratulations, you got that filled yesterday. There's a bearish reversal signal. We had one a few weeks ago, and the market waved that off. The last bullish reversal signal was a nice indication of a new uptrend for IBM. And we did have a bearish reversal signal back here, which marked the top back in June. So it looks like a topping motion, but we're looking for fall through to the downside on Wednesday. The NASDAQ 100 also had a bearish reversal signal on Tuesday. And of course, we're looking for fall through to the downside on Wednesday, but so far that has not. We don't see any sign of that in the pre-market on Wednesday morning. Now, looking at the VIX is back on a daily buy signal on the daily right side chart. We're really waiting for a breakout above the flypaper channel or some buy signals in the ETFs. And it looks like the pros are about to take control of the VIX. We still need to close just a little higher on Wednesday to give us a buy signal. That's also true on the TSX. It looks like the pros are just about to take control, and we're just a few pennies away from generating a buy signal on Wednesday. Looking at the Magnificent Seven stocks, and there's the NASDAQ pulling back yesterday, still closing above the upper channel line on both sides of the border. There's the Magnificent Seven ETF trading in the channel yesterday. So mathematically, we could see a sell signal on Wednesday with a close below $64.21. Apple has been treading water here for the last couple of weeks. No change in trend there. We still have Amazon on the sell signal coming into Wednesday's trading action. We had Alphabet generate a buy signal on Monday and then a small pullback on Tuesday. We could certainly see a sell signal for Alphabet on Wednesday. Then looking at Meta, no trend change there at all. Looking at Microsoft, inside day on Tuesday, no change in trend there. And then looking at NVIDIA, we're still trading below $187.50. Basically, no major move yesterday. We were just down 50 cents on the day in New York. Then looking at Tesla closing in the channel yesterday. Looking for a close below $427.79 in New York or $38.02 in Toronto to generate a sell signal on Wednesday. No change for Broadcom, still on a sell signal here. And then we may have topped for Shopify. We had a bearish reversal signal on Monday, a little fall through to the downside on Tuesday on both sides of the border. So there is certainly a possibility that Shopify topped on Monday. We'll just have to wait and see. Okay, folks, that is all for this morning's presentation. So far, it looks like we're going to have a fairly quiet open on Wednesday morning. Have a great day. Next time you'll hear my voices on Thursday morning, and at that time we'll walk through the most actively traded stocks from Wednesday's trading action.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theyuptrend.com.